and welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a good day. Today we're at Duxford Aerodrome for their America's Flying. Today, like last time, we're trying new camera equipment. This time it's an Insta360 plus the Canon I used at Sywell, so I hope you enjoy. Once we arrived, the first thing we did was have a nosy at the stalls. I say we because I finally had company at one of these events with Josh tagging along. We had a look at all the aircraft lined up, and as you can see, we were definitely going to watch a great air show. Along with all the airplanes you see here, we also saw a B-17 Flying Fortress, also known as Sally B, a PBY-5A Catalina, aka Miss Pickup, and several Spitfires. I shall leave you now to admire them. As you can see, it was starting to get extremely busy, so we took this opportunity to visit what Duxford is famous for, its Imperial War Museum. We started off in the Aerospace Centre, which allowed me to try out the Insta360. Disappointingly, however, the Insta360 editing software sticks their logo in the bottom corner, so to solve this issue, I've just decided to plaster the Plain Brain logo over the top. While I was filming, Josh got chatting to one of the volunteers and found out that Duxford offers a Lancaster Bomber talk and tour. Of course, we jumped at the opportunity. It was surreal being able to get up close and personal with such an aeroplane as well as learn about its history. It was so amazing to go inside.
And it's very cosy. If you can hear a technique, is probably go backwards, I think.
Good job we're short.
Well, that average height of a male in 1940 was 5'7".
My height, bang on.
Yeah, so there you go. You're absolutely the right height for the vintage. Yeah, no tall people, no tall people. Yeah, so we are. Yeah, squeeze in, squeeze in.
After finishing the Airspace Centre, we decided to grab some food. The flying displays were due to start shortly, so we found a spot, plonked down and ate lunch. I'm just saying, this hot dog was top notch. Now I shall leave you to enjoy the air show. I have decided to leave some of the audio raw so you can hear the engines. Enjoy!
It's
When the air show was complete, we had a look around the other hangars and aircraft we hadn't had a chance to see earlier. Josh also insisted on going to the land warfare section, which was a great idea because we were told it will soon be changing. So let me know what you think of this video and see you in the next one. Bye!